In this video, I'll be sharing all the Mother's Day gift ideas and what's new at 99cent store. Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of Dollar Tree haul videos and 99cent store only videos. I also do shop with me videos at Ross, Michaels and Target at the dollar spot section. I occasionally do mini DIY projects. So if this is something that you're interested in, please consider hitting on that subscribe button and that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and would love to catch up with you in my upcoming videos. Thank you. Some really cute pot hangers. Hang them on the pots. Really nice black and white pots. Cute owls. Garden gnome with a welcome sign. Really nice solar lights with a mosaic pattern. Nice pinwheels. Garden fences and solar. These fences were very strong and sturdy, good quality. They had different types of fences. This was the Mother's Day section. They had lots of varieties of mugs. Some were made of plastic and some were glass. Some nice wall plaques. Different ones. This one was for Best Grandma. Some floral decor. This table had a lot of the gifts for moms, World's Best Mom mug, and also the photo frame. They had two varieties. And these were the bath bombs. Gift bags. It's a nice gift box. They had 3 different types of these gift boxes. Some nice jewelry plates and ring holders. They had gold and silver. Colorful vases. Wall decals. Some removable wall art. Some nice decor for kids' bedrooms. Nice dinosaurs. This was a canvas decor. Microfiber chair pad for $1.99, a great value. A nice storage box with sequins for $2.99. It's a good quality 24 pocket hanging organizer. There are different colors of pencil pouches. Cute erasers. Some pretty notebooks. That's it for today's 99-cent store only shop with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you.